Hello webs, hi, this is Fahad from Future Phones, and today I have this device, and you can see this the key is broken, and the key is L1 key, and we are going to fix this today here, and we'll see if we can fix it. I've ordered some parts for it, and they are cheap parts. I think it's worth repairing these joypads because they are a bit expensive at the moment. So let's not waste any more time and let's try and fix it. Okay, so I'll take you to this camera here so you can see all the action that is happening. And what we have to do is start from here, I think so. Yep. So there is 2 screws under this shield, so we're going to put this in this box, and here is those 2 screws. So we're going to remove them now. Okay. Two screws removed, and after that I think we need to remove these 2, but there is 2 screws here also. So this is the first time I'm opening this, but I think these are just clips here. Okay, there is a screw here also. Okay, and now what comes off? Which part will come off? The top or bottom? I don't know. Okay, there is, I can see there is like 2 clips here. I think they are part of this housing. This is stopping it to open. No. Well, it just came off, thank God. Okay, focus actually. So we need to fix this one, and this is broken. I'm really worried if the video has no focus, then it's not good. So we'll remove this battery now, and then we have a screw here. Remove the screw. Okay, something is here along with this, so I'll just get rid of it. I think there is a mic here. That's a mic. Okay, goes there. Now next thing, I'm going to remove these. So this flex is removed, this one. Now I will remove this flex also. Okay, so I can't hold it with this, but I can hold with this. Sure, yeah, that's okay. This rubber is for the mic. Okay, I'll remove this as well. The board is released from all these flexes. I'll remove this flex also. And if I could just, oh yeah, it's coming off, that's fine. I don't need to take the wire off. Now I got two screws here. I'm gonna remove this screw. I've got another screw here, so I'll remove this one also. Now possibly this can come here. Yep, so we release this as well. Screws there. And now we need to release this mechanism, this one, but we have two screws here. Another two screws from here, and this mechanism is released now. Okay, so we're going to put it here for now. So this is the mechanism. So this mechanism is out, and we are going to put the key with, yeah, we need the R2 key that needs to go in. Now this is a bit tricky bit, and you can see what we need to do basically is we need to get this holder going into this hole, and then this sits in like this. Yeah, you can see. But to do that, what we need is we need to take this screw off. Now we can get this out. See. Okay, and now this thing we can slide it out. Oopsie daisy, it shouldn't have come out like this. Okay, anyway, so we can slide this out now. I hope my camera is doing all the focus work for. As if it is not focusing, then all this video will be for no good. Okay, so okay, one more time I'll show you how I'll leave this again inside because I don't like to get this out. So you can see this bit will go here, this and this, you can push this in here. Now when the whole of this joystick is visible, you can just push this holder back in. Once this is in, we can check if it is working fine. Yep. And actually I will put this thing back on. So this cover is back on now. I'll put these screws also. Okay, so now we need that spring. One of this will was the same sides, so it can go either way. So it's, you can see it should be facing downwards here. So I will put it like this first. That's fine. So you can see there is like a holding place for this one, so it's gone in now. Now very carefully I need to bring this one so there is this place now. So you can see this spring is holding its place now, and this is working. And let's see this side, it's also okay. So let's put this back on. So this flex is back on. Now we will put this part here. I think it's like this. So I can put these two screws here. Okay, so will this sit in like it was sitting in before? Yeah. Okay, that's okay, looks nice. And I have this cover for this joystick. This flex will pass through this hole. That is the only flex. It needs to be looked after here. And then it's sitting in now. If I put these two screws, then it's gonna hold this back panel.
I'm gonna put this screw on now.
Okay, this flex is the weird one. Okay, and it's supposed to be like this somehow. Here, like this. We have one flex here. This controller, come on, sit in. Yep. So if I put this flex on, then I'll get rid of this thing. Okay, this flex is on. Battery panel, this is the battery cover, but before I go for the battery cover, I want to see if okay, there is one flex here, so this flex will sit in. Okay, now this is okay here. I'll push these flexes in also. Yep, that's fine. So we got all these screws. What are these two holes for? Don't know. Let's see. Okay, so this mic will go in here. It should sit in. Maybe like this. Yeah. So that's how it should sit in.
So if I put this battery cover here, actually it will go. Put this screw on first, the middle one.
We'll just make it easier. Okay, so now everything is in its place. R2 key and L2 key, they look fine. We will do a test and we'll see if they are really working. Like this it sits in, and this rubber will go on top of it.
ठीक है मैं कह रहा हूँ ओके
That's how it sits in. So that's okay. I think if you see here now, okay, we have one more rubber for this area here, which is the microphone. So we'll put this on as well. Yeah, okay, so this is how it is. I can see that hole now, so it's the right side. Push this flex in there. I think these are the noise cancellation mics, or maybe the listening mics for this PS5. Okay, so we are almost done now. Next thing is this now. So anything else left? Yes, the battery. The battery is left. Didn't put the battery in. Okay. So battery is in. All the screws are in. Yeah. So it sets in. Let's put these two screws on as well, and I'll pass it to my colleagues. They will test it and they will make a video if it is working. It's focusing itself, so this screw is there. We put a screw here also. Let's put two screws here also. give it to my colleagues to test it. Okay. Okay. So, moment of the truth, and I will pass it to my colleagues and they will test it. So I think there should be no problems with this device now. This thing I will leave it for the last, because once they have tested it they can put this on.
Okay, so this PlayStation 4 controller came and it had a...
It's a PS5 controller.
Oh, PS5 actually, it's not PS4. So it's PS5 controller and it had a problem with the R2. It was a broken R2 and now we're testing it. If we have to replace all of it, the whole unit. So now we're checking if it's working or not. That's how you can test. So that's
First do the L2
L2.
and show what happens when you do it.
When you do L2, it goes all the way.
To number 1.
And then when you do R2, then it goes all the way as well. So yes, it's been fixed. So if you have any devices like this, do contact with us and we can fix it for you. This is PlayStation 5, not PS4, by the way. Thank you very much, and ta-da, bye for now.